In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Zoho Books' internal error. Seeing that generic internal server error message can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you are in the middle of managing your business finances or processing important invoices. Most of the time, this is labeled as a 500 error, which simply means the communication reached Zoho's servers, but something went wrong on their end. The good news is that most of these errors can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps that I will walk you through today. If this video helps solve your issue, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's get started. The first and most common solution is to simply wait 1 minute. When you see an internal error, the instinctive reaction is to start clicking everything or refreshing rapidly, but I want you to stop and do not click anything. Often, these errors are just temporary hiccups caused by brief server maintenance or a momentary overload on Zoho's side. If you give it about 60 to 90 seconds, the server usually resets itself, and the page will load normally upon your next attempt. If waiting doesn't work, we need to move on to step 2, which is verifying your URL structure. This is a very common mistake, especially for developers or those using specific bookmarks. Ensure your web link starts with the correct regional domain. For example, if you are located in Europe, your link must start with https://www.zohoapis.eu. If you are in the United States, it must be https://www.zohoapis.com. Sending a request to the wrong regional data center can cause the server to crash internally because it cannot find your data in that specific region. Next, let's check your organization ID. Look at the very end of your URL or your API request string. You need to make sure the ID number displayed there is exactly correct and matches your actual Zoho Books business profile. If this ID is malformed, missing a digit, or belongs to an account that was previously deleted, Zoho's system might return a generic internal error instead of a specific warning message. Double-check this in your organization settings to be sure. Finally, if you are still seeing the error, it is time to refresh your token. This is specifically for those using API integrations or third-party apps. Go back to your Zoho API console and generate a brand new access token. Sometimes a token can become glitched or corrupted during the handshake process, which causes the server to fail during the security check. By generating a fresh token and applying it to your request, you ensure a clean connection. Following these steps should clear up any internal server issues and get you back into your bookkeeping in no time. If this video helped you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.